France 2, Morocco 0, World Cup quarter final match Masaber final review. Tunrum chu World Cup quarter final France le Morocco in khel chungchang kan soidona ni. Scoreboard ta chuan France in Morocco 2-0 in an nia. Mase score chau hriathian he in khel hi a soi fia zolo. Morocco chu antla mase an fight na an ril rule an team spirit chu football ngain tu song song ten an fak leang. France ero chuan champion team ni na chu an lantir le semi final lama lampanin an kal chun chom ta ani. He video a hian France an he na chan ril tak Morocco an tlak chan player poimo te an performance coach te tactic le semi final malama France tan enge om ti te kan seidon chu wangin video hi atop thlengin min en sakang che. He quarter final hi khovel football ngai na tu tam tak ten an nga en an chak ber pakhatani. Morocco chuan round of 32 a Netherlands an hea, round of 16 a Canada an he le bok, Africa ram ai oin an sin kong ro pui hi chun zampo an tumani. France ro chuan round of 16 a Paraguay an hea, an squad a khan experience nei tam tak an oma knockout match kheldan an hriat to awangin pressure nuaya po anin thada lo. Referee in whistle aham vele France chuan pressing sang takin an tranghal. Morocco chuan an goal hum him an tumrenga mase France midfielder te chuan passing lane an khatlat. Morocco chu counter attack manga laum taka kaltum mase France chuan an hriat an hria an dang chat theitlat. France chu ball position an nei tam zela an pass te po adik thle uing lam le midfield lam an thak wall zung zung chu chuan Morocco defense lam thak wall fo angai ve pha zela ni. Morocco ero chuan an hlau an defense line chu angeta hakimi le mojau te chu an thok rim hle goalkeeper bonu point atir lama save thatak tak ania. France score nga lau chan poimo tak pakhatani. He matcha hian thillang chiang tak chu France chuan ball an thunon hne hle Morocco ero chuan defense nget tak mangchungin counter attack an hne na an song ani. Minute kal zela France lam chuan an attack chu an ti chak deu dewa mbappe le dembele te an speed awangin Morocco defense chu an tal boi tran hle ni. First half chu score la omlo mase Francian match rhythm chu an kai hroi deu ti alang chiang to ani. First half toblama France chuan an pressure an pezol zela Morocco defense chu an in hum him thale mase France player te chuan mun ruak an zong chuak thei zel hei hi champion team te di dan poimo tak pakhatani. Second half an tran vele France chuan attacking game an khel chum le ngala Morocco point an equalizer zong zon tumna awangin an player tamzok an malama tar malama an kaltir mase chu chuan defense nung lama mun ruak asem ta ani. France chuan chu mun ruak chu an mang tangkai ta chata mbappe chuan speed ball control le aril ruman thiam na mangin Morocco defense chu ati boy na sa hle amalam kalna pakhat atang chuan chance masaber ane atangin mbappe chuan minute somrukna goal masaber athun theita goal chu player pakhat chawina siam nilavin team pungpuin an movement thataka wanga lo chuak ane. Goal om nuwa Morocco chu anril ruwa down chuang lo an coach point attack lam player ada luta equalizer an zong na sale hakimi le wing player te point cross lam takan siama mase France defense chu an hetlat. France center back tele goalkeeper chuan communication an nei thle Morocco box sunga chance pel fai an siam harsa cross tam tak chu an hrechuaka second ball po France midfield te chuan an lo kol tha. Match toblama Morocco in an attack na satawangin defense ain hong deuta France chuan counter attack magin an nor leta mbappe chuan defender pakhat ai tampo apal sang theiti alan tir le pass dik tak magin teammate ne na chance asiama chu chance chu minute somruk parukna dembele chuan gola achan tir leta ni. France chuan 2-0 in an ma an hruaita ani. He goal ni damang hian match chu kharzui ani ta ni. Morocco player te chuan an bereng mase France chuan experience pangin match tempo an thununa an goal po an hum him theita ani. Morocco an tlak chhan ber chu thlen an nei lo wang ani lo an buaida ber chu goal mulama decision le finishing adik tok lo ani chance an nei chu goala chantir an har sata France ero chuan an chance poimo te an mangtang kai theizel ani football a hian team pakhatin ball akol tamzo kemo attack anei tamemo chau hian ne na athleng lo chance inei te goal a chantir theite discipline le pressure hnuaya relrung het tak nei hi ne na chan the na berani France chuan chu an lan tir chiang hle ani France ne na soidon chuan Kylian Mbappe ming chu kan lam lo thei lo ma se football hi player pakhat chau wang ani lawa Mbappe chu aro pui hle ma se anunga team pung pui te tho hona awangin a talent chu alang chuak thei chau ani hema cha hian Mbappe in ball adona piangin Morocco defender te an boi ngal a speed a dribbling le a movement awangin defender pakhat chau chuan an veng zo ngai lova chu wangin Morocco chuan player pani emo pathum emo an lo man fo angai ta chuan French player dang te tan mun ruak asiam sak ta zel ani football a hian space hi apoi mo hle Mbappe chu goal a score chau ni lovin defender tam tak a hruai wangin teammate tan chan siam tu ani chu player ro pui ni na pakhat ani ma se France ne na tak chu midfield ranga lo in tran ani Morocco midfielder chu an chak hle na in France chuan ball an changtamin an passing a dik midfield an hne chuan match rhythm an kai hruai theia France chuan chu an ti hlo tling ani France got destam point tactic asiam thale Morocco chuan winger an mangla sa ti a hrenga chu wangin fullback le winger chu defense an lo tang ho zel hei hian hakimi le Morocco wing player te an hlom na atine pa an lo dang chat thei zel ani Morocco coach point an kheldan athak kol na sa attack player tamzok alu tira equalizer an zong na sa hle ma se attack lam ti tam hian defense mun ruak asiam theya France chuan chu mun ruak chu an mangtang kaya counter attack magin an goal pani na an siamani hema cha kan zir chua thei poimo pakhat chu champion team te chuan an ti sual pal an mangtang kaya pressure sang tak hnuaya po an ril ru angai reng the ni France chu an zam lova an game plan an zom thra chu wangin ne na an chang the ani Morocco po hi tlama se an discipline an team work le an impact na chuan football ngai na tu zong te thin lung a khoi leang an team hian Africa football chak na chu alan tir theya kum lo la om zel tura po an hla om zelang ti ring tu te an tam hle ani tu din muna France chu semi final an lut to ma se malam in khel ala khirdon Spain emo Belgium emo an ma chhodanga team pani te hi attack lama an chakhle France chu defense lam an hne reng angai chance an nei te po an man tangkai thei zel alangai donani ato bera chuan he qualifier final match hian thil pakhat azir tir chian deuh chu football a talent chau atok lo teamwork discipline patience le chance inei te iman tangkai thei chuan ne na ichang theiang tun world cup khel to chin en chuan Morocco chuan thil ti ro pui tak an nei Netherlands an hne Canada an hne chuta quarter final thlein an khal thei hi team chak tak an Asia lan tir na ni tun tuma an tla ka wang hian an kal na chu atop ti na ni lo kum lo la om tura an player tam tak an la no panga an team hi ala chak zual zel the ani France lam ero chu an hna la top lo semi final a Spain emo Belgium emo an ma chhondon heng team panhi te hi attack lama an hlom hleang France chu an defense anghe that renga midfield a ball an thunun zual zel angai don Mbappe Dembele le an attack line chu tun ang boka an performance an chun zomani chuan France chu final thleng thei an ni ma se world cup knockout stage chu hrilok thei ani lo mistake pakhat chawin team pakhat tournament atangin a chhuat tir thei chu wangin France point an ril ru an siam sau angai don ani ato bera chuan zo du chaw ka nei heng khela hian best player tunge in thlan Mbappe nge Dembele ani lo le Morocco lam player thiam ti deuh in nem komena in ngei dan min khil thei chuan ka video lo en tu zong te like kha share tin min la subscribe lo ten min lo subscribe vek turin ka som bok chau ni in zavai in zat in khel en nuam vek kule